Hi there, and welcome. Let's look at how to track employee attendance in Flowlu. It's super easy and keeps you on top of things like absences, sick leaves, and business trips. With this feature, you'll always know who's out and why, so you can plan better and avoid scheduling headaches. First, make sure the Leaves and Absences module is installed. Only portal admins can do this, so double-check it's set up. You can also manage permissions here. Assign admin roles to those who can create and manage absences on the portal, while the employee level is limited to viewing only. Once it's ready, head over to the My Team module and click on the Leaves and Absences tab. Now, let's set up some absence types. Click the three-dot button to get started. Flowlu gives you default options, but you can edit or delete them if needed. Want to create your own? Easy! Add a title, pick a color, and set the duration for each absence. You can choose whether or not to include holidays. If holidays are included, Flowlu will adjust the duration for you. If not, the duration stays as is. To manage holidays, just head to your portal settings under Date and Time. Here, you can configure the company's days off, add custom holidays, and view public holidays. Alright, now let's create an absence. First, select the person. Then, choose the absence type, set the start and end dates, select holidays, and leave a comment if needed. That's it. Once you've added absences, you can view them all in one place. You'll see past, current, and upcoming absences. You can even filter by employee, date, comments, or status. Need a quick look at who's out today? Done! It's all right there for you. You can also view current absences by clicking on an employee's profile. This section displays all their active absences, making it easy to check whether your coworker is available for a quick chat or to take on a task at the moment. There's also an absence chart, which is incredibly handy for getting a clear overview at a glance. It helps you easily spot if absences overlap between different employees. Each type of absence has its own color, and holidays are highlighted too. You can filter the chart by employee or year. And if you want a closer look, just press Shift and scroll to zoom in or out. You can create an absence directly from the chart by simply clicking on the desired day. And there you have it! Tracking attendance in Flowlu is simple and keeps your team running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!